Hi everyone. Welcome to Wellness Munch. So today we thought let's discuss about Gulkand. So why suddenly Gulkand? Why not some other items? Because I'm sure many of you think like, oh my God, Gulkand, that means it's too sweet. How come someone will have Gulkand, for health benefits? But you'll be surprised to know the health benefits of Gulkand. Probably you were never, aware of it before. First of all, let me tell you, not one, not two, rather I can give you 6 to 7 good reasons to start taking Gulkand every single day. What are those reasons? Let's talk about that. But before we get into that, let me tell you, if in case you don't know what is Gulkand, it's just the sugar preserved rose petals, right? Yes, those things which you often see in the pan shop, right? They spread a little bit of Gulkand on your pan, and which makes your pan meetha. Yeah, that's the Gulkand. Now, what are the health benefits of Gulkand, right? First of all, being a nutritionist, let me talk about the nutritional point of view. If you are someone who is having Gulkand on a daily basis, you are actually ensuring your daily dosage of keratin, a good amount of calcium, copper, magnesium, and of course it has good amount of sugar, and most of the cases what happen, the rose petals are nothing but water. So you are taking care of all these things, right? It is nutritious, so you cannot just ignore it just by calling it a sugar bomb or something like that. All right. Next, the most important thing, it is a very good antioxidant. Yes, it has very good antioxidant properties, which makes a huge difference when you have Gulkand on a daily basis. Not only antioxidants, it is antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory in nature. I'll tell you what, antimicrobial means if you have any microbial infection, like for any kind of bacteria, virus, like that, then having Gulkand may give you good effects. Okay, so it is antimicrobial as well as it is anti-inflammatory. Okay, so it helps to reduce inflammation if present in your body. Not only this, it also helps to fix your constipation. Okay, so if you are someone who is always very worried about cleaning your stomach, you have, every day you start, the day with a very depressed note, then maybe regular consumption of Gulkand can help you, can fix this problem. Why? Because Gulkand has good amount of sugar, and that's why it helps to retain the water. It increases the stool in volume, and that's how it actually helps to fix your constipation problem. Not only constipation, if you are a woman and you are suffering from, say, heavy bleeding or like periods, heavy periods or white discharge, then also you can think of having Gulkand. Because what happened, in Ayurveda, what we have seen, Gulkand has been used for making different kind of medicinal preparation. That's why it has some medicinal properties which we must acknowledge. All right. So there are so many, health benefits of Gulkand. Now, apart from all this, the major health benefit which Gulkand has, if you are having it in the summer, it acts as a brilliant coolant. Okay, it actually helps to rejuvenate you. After a very busy long day, it will help you to rejuvenate. It is a coolant, so it will help you to keep your body temperature cool. So in hot summer, it is to be taken in terms of getting that coolant benefit. So that is very important. Apart from that, if you have any mouth ulcer, many of you probably complain of some gum infection or some ulcers in the mouth. In that case also, what has been seen, that Gulkand is very effective. Okay, so since Ayurveda has used it for many years for treating many kind of health hazards, it is a good way to start having Gulkand. Now the question is, which kind of Gulkand, right? Because always quality matters a lot. Whatever the health benefits that we are talking about, it is only be assured if the quality of the Gulkand is good. All right. So now the question is, okay, fine, how to ensure, to have a good Gulkand? First thing first, trust on your kitchen and trust on your hand magic. As I mentioned, because then you have the entire control over the quality, correct? So what you need to do, you need to get good rose from the market. Make sure the rose is not treated with a lot of pesticides and all that, like organic rose or something like that. If you can get that, great. Like, then separate the petals from the rose. Try to take a clean dry glass jar. Just spread a layer of this petals. On top, sprinkle some sugar. Now, how much of sugar? Roughly, if you're taking 35 to 40 petals, roughly try to take 3/4 cup of sugar. Okay, so make a bed of petals, sprinkle some sugar, then again make a bed of petals and then sprinkle some sugar, and then airtight it, close the container and keep. Every day, keep stirring it with a clean spoon. Okay, that's all you need to do to get good Gulkand. Okay, within 8 to 10 days your Gulkand will be ready, and it is going to be yummy, and which is also going to give you lot of health benefits, what I have already shared. Now you must be thinking, it's sugar, right? In Gulkand there's a good percentage of sugar, then how come I have it? Because I'm trying for weight loss, or maybe I am a diabetic, right? Now, first thing first, if you're somebody who is trying to reduce weight, can you have Gulkand? Yes, you can. Why? Because see, you're taking Gulkand as a medicine. I'm not asking you to have Gulkand every, just sit with a jar of Gulkand and have spoon after spoon Gulkand. No, not like that. Even if you are not trying for weight loss, even if you are not a diabetic, one should restrict themselves to have Gulkand only 1 teaspoon a day. I repeat, 1 teaspoon a day. Okay. Now, if you are trying for weight loss, can you have 1 teaspoon of Gulkand every day? Yes, you can, because weight loss depends on multiple factors. It is not only depending on whether you're having Gulkand or not. You may think about the calorie, you may think about the sugar and all that stuff, but still you can pretty much balance this Gulkand ration in your daily, diet plan, if the diet plan is made, carefully. So don't worry, relax. You can have Gulkand even if you're trying for weight loss. Now let's talk about diabetes. How come you can have Gulkand? Now, for diabetes, it's always important to understand the food combination, how you're having Gulkand. If you're adding Gulkand in a glass of milk and then you're having it, it is not going to give you huge impact on your blood sugar level. But if it is really not under control, then you may reduce it and have just a half teaspoon of it. Okay, but not along with a meal, but in between 2 meals, so that the blood sugar level goes up but not in extreme. All right, so that you have to be very careful about. So that is the way to have Gulkand if you are diabetic. Not with any meal, after meal, like after, in between 2 meals rather, that would be a nice correct way to say. Now, if you're not looking for weight loss and you are not a diabetic, how you can have Gulkand? The best way is, yes, just spread it over a pan, a good pan, and have it. Why? Because the moment you have this Gulkand wala pan after your meal, your sweet cravings will get satisfied. Okay. Now imagine, if you're just putting a strike of Gulkand in a pan, in a nice pan leaf, and you're having it, how much calorie does it have? Very minimum. But instead, if you're having 1 whole rasgulla or 1 whole say gulab jamun, that will give you huge amount of calorie. So think about it, like what is called smart eating, right? If you're choosing pan with a stroke of Gulkand and some other mukhwas, as I've mentioned earlier, that is going to be much helpful rather than having a gulab jamun or kaju katli or rasgulla or whatever other sweet. So always choose the right one at the right time, then you'll be in a safe hand, don't worry. So that is it. Yes, so you have so many reasons now to have Gulkand, and of course you can make your Gulkand at home. It's very easy. Cooking time is practically zero. All you need to do, just follow the simple steps and keep stirring with a clean spoon every single day. That's all. I hope the live was useful. If it was, please hit the like button so that I get to know that yes, the whatever we are sharing is actually somewhere it is actually helping you to fix your problems and all. Do let us know what all the topic you want me to cover. We will definitely bring those topics as well in the recent future. And till then, stay happily healthy and take care of yourself. Okay, bye bye.